Ahoy, fellow travelers! Welcome back to Easy and Funny channel, the go-to spot for all your travel tips and adventures. Today, we're setting sail into the world of cruise planning. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or a first-timer, these 15 tips are absolute must-knows to make your cruise experience smooth sailing. Number 1. First things first, research your cruise line options. Each cruise line has its own personality, amenities, and itineraries. Find the one that aligns with your preferences. Number 2. Set a budget. Cruises can be all-inclusive, but it's essential to factor in expenses like excursions, specialty dining, and gratuities. Number 3. Choose your cabin wisely. Consider factors like location, size, and whether you prefer an interior room, ocean view, or balcony. Your cabin choice can significantly impact your cruise experience. Number 4. Check the cruise itinerary thoroughly. Make sure it includes ports you're excited to explore. Some itineraries might have more sea days than others, so choose based on your preferences. Number 5. Pack smartly. Think layers, essentials, and don't forget important documents like passports, cruise tickets, and any required visas. Number 6. Don't overpack. Cruise cabins can be cozy, and you'll likely spend most of your time in casual wear. Be strategic with your wardrobe choices. Number 7. Plan your shore excursions in advance. Popular excursions can fill up quickly, so booking early ensures you get the experiences you want. Number 8. Research the ship's dining options. Many ships offer a variety of specialty restaurants, and some may require reservations. Plan your dining experiences ahead of time. Number 9. Stay connected with the cruise app. Most cruise lines have apps that provide daily schedules, maps, and even the ability to book activities. It's your key to staying organized on board. Number 10. Consider travel insurance. Unexpected events can happen, and having travel insurance can provide peace of mind in case of cancellations or emergencies. Number 11. Get familiar with the ship layout. Cruise ships can be like floating cities, and knowing where key areas are, like dining rooms, entertainment venues, and your cabin, will save you time. Number 12. Take advantage of onboard activities. From Broadway-style shows to spa treatments, many cruises offer a plethora of entertainment options. Plan your onboard activities to make the most of your time. Number 13. Be mindful of tipping policies. Some cruise lines include gratuities in the fare, while others leave it to your discretion. Know the policy beforehand to avoid any surprises. Number 14. Stay healthy on board. Cruise ships have health guidelines for a reason. Use hand sanitizers, stay hydrated, and be cautious about overindulging in the ship's tempting cuisine. Number 15. Finally, relax and enjoy. Cruises are all about unwinding and exploring. Take in the breathtaking views, indulge in delicious meals, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Well, there you have it, 15 essential things to know when planning your next cruise adventure. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy and Funny channel for more travel insights. And hey, hit that bell icon to stay in the loop with our upcoming travel guides. Bon voyage, happy cruising, and thanks for watching.